Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya, and today we are going to see the important topic, that is blocks, which is available in QCAD Community Edition. Now the block command is only available in Community Edition. The advanced commands are available in the premium version. So there is only block command, the basic command, which is available in QCAD Community Edition. Now what are blocks? Blocks are the entities which can be used multiple times. Okay, so the same entity you can use multiple times and it will be selected as a single entity. You can modify those as a single entity. So let us take an example. I have this chair like design here and I want to use this design all over my drawing. Okay, so what I do is I save it as a block and I use it just by a click. Okay, so how to make this a block? Right now it is a single entity, so first we have to make it as a combined entity. Okay, so I will select this, whatever I want to select as a block, and then you will get this option, create block from. Okay, if you don't select it, the block option will be deactivated. It will ask for required selection. So I am selecting this for now. You can go to block, create a new block. Okay, I will just click here. Okay, then the prompt will ask for a reference point. Now what is this reference point? Reference points is a point from which you will pick that block, okay, and place. So let us say I am taking this center point as a reference point, and then you can have a block name, say CHAIR, chair. I am selecting it as a chair, and then what you can do is you can just save that block. Now where it is saved, you can easily check. Just go to view tab and say block list. It will open the block list which are available in my drawing, and just by clicking you can see that block is getting stored. So you can go to model again. Let us make a rectangle, a small rectangle like a table for example, and now I want to insert these chairs throughout this table. Okay, so how to insert that block? You can just right click and say insert. You have option at the top also, insert. If you want to edit a block, you can have the edit block content option. You can rename a block, you can add empty block, you can delete block also. So if I say I don't want this block 1, I will just delete it. It will be removed from my system. Okay, you can add new blocks also, you can save it, and then you can perform the operation. Now I want to insert this chair, just select it, you can say insert. Now what was the reference point? The center point was the reference point, that's why it is getting selected as a reference point. So I want to place one chair here, one chair here. Okay, and then what I can do is I can go to modify tool, I can use mirror command to get it mirrored. So there is a mirror option, just select this, it will get mirrored, keep original. So that is why it is very simple to have a block stored into your drawing which you will be using many times. So this is a small example which I tried to explain using a block. So you can create a drawing, save it as a block, and use multiple times in your drawing. Okay, so if you like this content, do subscribe my channel, follow my channel, and thank you for joining.